This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by grabbing the calendar feed. This is the only reliable import method. Sign into Google Calendar, choose the calendar, and open Integrate Settings. Copy the secret iCal address, not a public page link, because Notion needs the feed. Once done, switch to Notion and prepare an embed block on the page where you want the calendar. Make sure your calendar permissions don't block the feed, otherwise the embed won't display. Now paste the iCal URL into Notion's embed block and confirm. Notion will load the calendar feed as an embedded calendar frame. This is how events appear inside your workspace. You may need to resize the embed to show the full month or week. Once the feed is embedded, it updates periodically, not instantly, so expect a short delay. Make sure the embed is visible to collaborators by checking page sharing settings and calendar visibility. Finish by confirming events show correctly and arranging the embed on the page. If events don't appear right away, wait up to 30 minutes because Notion pulls feeds on a schedule. Refreshing the page helps. If the embed stays blank, recheck the iCal URL and Google Calendar sharing. The secret iCal must be valid and not revoked. As a key troubleshooting tip, revoke and regenerate the secret iCal address, then repaste it into Notion if permissions or stale tokens cause failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.